Embedding your social media feeds to your website isn't a luxury anymore. It is a necessity now. So why not embed your Instagram feeds to your WordPress website to increase your credibility, trust, sales, followers, and the list goes on and on. With WP Social Ninja, you can easily embed your Instagram feeds to your WordPress website within minutes. So let's do it. First, go to WP Social Ninja and you will see all the available platforms here. Click on Instagram icon from the social feeds section. A new box named Instagram configuration will pop up. To start the configuration process, you need to choose one out of 3 different options from the drop-down list. Choose the type of account to connect. I've already connected an Instagram account to save your time. Let us create an awesome template now. There are 2 ways to do that. Just click on Add New Template from the pop-up box. And your feed template is ready to customize. Or go to All Templates, then click on Add New Template and choose Add Instagram Template from the drop-down list. This can be helpful in case you want to edit your existing platform settings. Go to Source first and select your feed type from either user account or hashtag. Now click Fetch Feeds. Within seconds, your Instagram feed preview will update. Let's go and check out the template editor settings. Choose one of your favorite layout type from grid, carousel or masonry. If you are going for grid layout type, you can display your post on your website, just like it's on your Instagram. However, if you are going for carousel, you get a whole set of settings panel under carousel's name along with 2 different template styles. Let's go and see all the exciting filter settings. The first one is the number of posts to display. From post orders, choose one from 5 different options and start with filtering the posts. But before that, you need to select the type of post you want to display. If you want to show posts with specific hashtags or words, simply write down the hashtags or that word in this box. See, your feed already got filtered. Similarly, if you want to hide certain posts with specific words or hashtags, then provide the word in the box. And those posts will get hidden from your feed. That's all about the filter settings. Now let's see the post settings. You get to choose where you want to open your posts. By the way, if you choose Open in Pop-up Box, then you will get a pop-up box settings bar. Let's start personalizing our header with the options. The best part with WP Social Ninja is you can always do amazing things with it. You can easily change the Instagram profile photo and bio text right from your dashboard without doing anything to your Instagram account. You can even customize the follow button. Each segment has tons of customizing options. Browse it and you will see the magic. Let's complete personalizing the template with the pagination settings. Now let's see how it looks on the front end. And yeah, here it is, all neat and clean. That's all for now. We'll be back to you with another exciting topic of WP Social Ninja very soon. Till then, happy YouTubing!